Well, we want to tell you a story about three guys.
Who were thrown into a fiery pit.
All because they loved God.
And refused to bow down to any god except the one true God. Their names were...
I knew this. They were Shamlin and Ding Dong, Michelet, and to bed we go.
Close. They were Shadrach.
Meshach.
And Abednego.
This is the story how these three brave young men stood up to a king.
Ooh, I know this one too. King Nubu Fuzzy Sweater.
King Nebuchadnezzar. The Bible tells us in Daniel that King Nebuchadnezzar gathered young men from all over who were smart, strong, and handsome to serve at his court. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were three of those young men, but they were also something else. They were wise and trusted in God with all their hearts. One day, King Nebi decided to build a huge golden statue.
When the music played, he commanded that everyone bow down to the golden image.
When the music plays, the king commands that everyone bow down to the golden image. That means you. Musicians, strike up the band. You three. Yes, you three. Why are you not bowing down? Is there something wrong with the bendy parts of your legs? Did you forget how to bow? Are you deaf? Did you not hear the music?
No, sir, we just choose not to because we follow the one true God and will not bow down to anyone but Him.
You guys are in so much trouble. I'm telling the king. King! So, Shadrach,
Meshach.
And Abednego were brought before King Nebuchadnezzar, and boy was he mad.
I'm so mad. Who dares not to obey me and bow down to the golden statue? This is an outrage. You three. Stand before me and be afraid. Be very afraid. If you do not obey me, bow down to the golden statue. When the music plays, I will throw you into the super fiery pit. I'm talking one hot oven. I'm not kidding. What?
yeah, we're cool with that. Hey, get it? We're cool. Fire is hot.
King Nebuchadnezzar, no disrespect, but you can't scare us. We won't bow down. We're not afraid of your super fiery furnace. Our God will deliver us.
Don't test me. I'll do it. I mean it. I'll throw you in the fire, and you're going to burn up. Boy, are you going to regret it. Nothing?
We told you, King, we won't bow.
That's it. Away with you.
So the king sent
Shadrach,
Meshach.
Abednego.
away to be thrown in the fiery furnace. The king was so mad that he ordered the furnace to be fired up 7 times hotter than normal. He had
Shadrach,
Meshach.
Abednego.
bound up hands and feet. They were thrown into the super fiery hot furnace and completely dressed in their clothes with their hands and feet bound. The furnace was so hot that the men that threw them in were burned up. Yikes. The king watched on as 3 brave young men fell into the furnace.
What is this? Are you guys seeing this? You know my math isn't great, but I thought we threw 3 men into the fiery pit. But now I'm counting 4. This isn't right. What is that? They're just down there like nothing's happening.
Nebuchadnezzar called for the men to come out of the furnace.
Once they're out, he examined them to figure out just how they were still alive.
He couldn't believe it.
I can't believe it. This is amazing.
The Bible says in the book of Daniel that the three men were completely unharmed, but their clothes weren't hurt at all.
In fact, not even a hair on their head was singed.
I'm so glad I told my eyebrows.
Nebuchadnezzar was so amazed that the three men were still alive that he knew it must be their God who saved them. He commended Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego for sticking to their faith and not bowing down, even though it meant they would pay with their lives.
So next time someone makes fun of you because you choose to follow your faith and not the crowd,
When your face was doing what's right instead of what's easy,
When choosing to obey God means you might lose a friend.
Don't be afraid, be strong and courageous, and